this is Neha.
And this is Shruti.
Today we are going to demonstrate how the first session of IELTS Speaking exam is being conducted. This is IDP IELTS demonstration exam conducted in Tijus Academy, Trivella. The examiner name is Neha Sarah Joseph and the candidate name is Shruti Soman. This exam is being recorded.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. May I know your full name?
My full name is Shruti Soman. You may address me as Shruti.
May I see your ID, please?
This is my ID.
Okay. Where do you come from, Shruti?
I'm from Tiruvalla, which is a small town located in Pathanamthitta district, which is also known as NRI hub of Travancore.
Okay. Could you please introduce yourself?
As I mentioned before, my name is Shruti and I'm from Tiruvalla, which is a beautiful developing city. I am a graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering and I'm living with my parents. And I really love to read books, especially thrillers, and I'm planning to move abroad for my masters.
Okay, let's discuss about keys. Do you always bring a load of keys with you?
Not really. I don't have much keys with me.
Why?
Because I believe in digital locks are better options, as I prefer carrying less keys with me.
Okay. Have you ever lost your keys?
Yes, I had lost my keys once while I was traveling and it was such a hassle.
Okay. Do you often forget the keys and lock yourself out?
Yes, I mentioned before, I had lost my house keys once and I had to wait for 2 hours for my mom to come with the spare keys to open the door.
Okay. Do you think it's a good idea to leave your keys with a neighbor?
Well, I would say that it will depend upon the relation the person have with their neighbor. If they have a really good relationship and they are trustworthy, it would be a good choice to leave the keys with them.
Okay, so that's the end.
This is just a demonstration with sample answers. There might be errors in the way we conducted the exam, and the following sessions would be discussed in the upcoming videos.
So ഇതുപോലുള്ള ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവ് വീഡിയോസിനായി ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമിയെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുക.
ജോയിൻ ടിജൂസ് അക്കാഡമി, ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.